Hey everybody, welcome back, and I am back with a Stitch Fix. So I believe this is Stitch Fix number 9. Hopefully it'll tell us. Usually it does. It'll say what fix it is, and I feel like we're on number 9. So what I did for this fix is I signed up for the Fix Pass. So it was $49 and you get unlimited fixes for a year. But you can only order one fix at a time. So I can't order like 3 fixes at the same time. And what that $49 is instead of paying the fix fee each month, I paid the $49 one time. I don't have to pay a fixed fee again for a year, and then the first purchase I make, the $49 goes as a credit. So I think that's amazing. After the last couple fixes that I got, where I didn't want to lose the money I put in, so I thought this would be perfect. So this will be my first box with the $49 credit. I think I might just do one each month. I'm not going to get crazy with it. I think I'm just going to do one each month, and as the seasons change. So if you didn't watch my last fix, I will leave it linked here or down below, because I asked for the same exact type of box as I did last time, and I asked to keep the same stylist. So if you watched the fix before my last fix, it was a disaster. It was really bad. I got nothing that I asked for, and I got everything I didn't ask for and said I didn't want. So then they offered to send me another box for free because it was really bad. And that time I got a different stylist, and the box was exactly what I asked for. So what I had asked for was no dresses, no skirts, no jeans, no shorts, but I wanted some type of summer pants because I don't wear dresses in the summer. I don't wear shorts in the summer. I wanted some type of summery pants that I can wear instead of shorts. And I got these really nice pants with a great print. So I asked for that again. And I was very specific. No stripes, no cold shoulder, no jeans, no shorts, no dress. Like, I went down the whole list. So hopefully this box is as good as the last one. But if it's not, no worries, because I don't lose any money, so we will see. If you don't know, super quick, because if you don't know what Stitch Fix is, and this is your first time seeing a video, it's a clothing subscription that you can get every month, you could get every other week, you can get it whenever you ask for one, which is what I normally do, is just whenever I need something, I'll ask for it. And they send you usually, I believe it's 5 pieces. I always forget. But they send pieces supposed to be based on your style, or you can leave a note for your stylist on specific things that you're looking for. And they send it to you. You get the box, you get the clothes. You only pay for what you keep, but if you keep the whole box, you get a discount for keeping the whole entire box. If you don't keep the whole box, then you pay per piece. If you pay the styling fee, that comes off at the end on the total, but if you don't keep anything, you lose that fee. So let's get in here. Gosh, I hope it works out like it did the last time, because the last time was a really good box. So, and I love their jeans, because they always give me Vigos jeans, and I love their jeans. But at the same time, I don't, it's summer. I don't need jeans. Oh my god, there's no envelope. Hold on a second here. There's no envelope to send anything back in. What if I don't like it? Holy cow. I still have a bag. I wonder if I can use it. Okay, so here's the pricing sheet. There goes my stomach growling. Probably should have eaten. All right, so here we go. So this may tell us what fix we're on here. All right, Hi Amy, happy summer fix. I'm so glad that you enjoyed your last fix. That makes me so happy. First, I chose this really cute blouse by Paper Moon in this pretty light blue color. I thought you'd look great in this. You could pair this with a pair of white skinny jeans with summery sandals for a really cute outfit. This top would also look great with your favorite denim shorts. I chose this casual knit top also by Paper Moon because I thought you'd love this soft and comfortable material. This will be so cute with a pair of shorts and strappy sandals or wedges. I thought this was a great everyday wear top for summer. Unfortunately, we didn't have any similar pants like the ones from your last fix, so I chose this cute maxi skirt by Max Studio. Oh no. Legit, I said, please no skirts. Alright. I don't know what's happening. Okay, it didn't say what fix it is. And there's no envelope to return anything in. What is, oh my god. I might have to write them send them an email on how the heck do I return this stuff? Are they expecting me to keep it all? I don't know. Okay, so here's our price list. It's a 25% discount if you keep everything, and the styling fee is $20. I always get that confused between 20 and 25, but it's 20. But I don't have that on this fix. It's the $49, which I don't lose if I don't keep anything because I already paid the $49. Here we go. Okay, so this is the Paper Moon cutout detailed blouse in blue. So I think this is what she was talking about. Walita Co. Okay, so this one is $38. And it's like a halter top. This is actually super cute. Let me bring it in so you can see the print. And then the back looks like that. Has like the little keyhole. Oh look, and then it has little details here too. You couldn't really see it. Oh, I like that. Okay, so that's super cute. Alright, next. Ooh, what is this? Collective Concepts. I always see this at Goodwill. I always see Collective Concepts. I had no idea it was Stitch Fix. This is the crochet detail, Moha crochet. $58. I had no idea Collective Concepts was that expensive. This is kind of dark for summer. Red and black for summer. I like the detail. I don't know if you can see this detail, and then this is the back. And it has a detail across the back, but I don't know, for red and black for summer, it's pretty. The flower print is pretty. Lots of blue. Everything in here is blue. Okay, here's another Paper Moon, which makes some really nice stuff, actually. Back detail, oh no, back detail knit top. Extra large, $28. Oh. Wait, what? Holy cow. What the hell is this? Oh my god. Wait a second. Okay, it goes like, the tag is in the front apparently. I think. No. This is the front. No, how is this the front? No, this is the front? Oh my god. I don't have any idea. The tag, I don't know how this goes. Crochet, hold on. Back detail knit top. Back detail. Okay, I don't know. Because if you... Back detail. This is... I don't even know how this goes. So here's the tag, right? So the tag is here. But all of this, if it says back detail, should be like this. And this should be the back. But then it makes it look like the tag is in the front. I don't know. I don't like this. I don't like that. Okay. I can already see I'm probably not going to keep that one. Calvin Klein. Interesting. Janice pleated neck knit top. $38. Tell me how. Collective Concepts is more expensive than Calvin Klein. Oh no. What the hell? Negative. This is too dressy. And very plain. Like, I don't like that at all. God, here's the skirt. Max Studio, $48. Oh God. Okay, this way. So here's the skirt. I mean, it's cute, but there's the print. And it has that detail. I don't know. So I wonder... Ooh, that's really long. I don't know. Alright, let's go to our pricing. Okay, completely not impressed at all. And I don't like any of it, to be honest with you. Okay, so the so the subtotal is $210. If I buy all 5, it's a 25% off discount, so it's $52.50 off. So the subtotal is $157.50. The credit is $49 because that's what I paid for the styling, the Fix Pass or Style Pass. Sorry, it's called a Style Pass. So my order total is $108.50 with no return envelope. No return envelope, and I don't like any of it. Damn. I should have said, if there's no pants like that available, then just give me all tops, because I don't wear skirts. I don't have anywhere to wear skirts. This I don't like. This I can't even figure out how to put on. This I don't like. And, I mean, this is cute. Maybe I'll try this one on. How much was this one? I'm going to blow the $49 on Lolita cutout. $38. So I don't know what happens now with this pass. If it goes into credit, maybe I'll just send everything back and then wait for... I mean, this is cute, but I don't know. Shoot. Alright. 99% chance all of this is going back. I'm not even going to try any of it on because I don't like any of it enough to keep it. But I don't have an envelope, so I'm going to have to send Stitch Fix an email. Okay, so that really bummed me out because I was really hoping for a really good fix this time around. Ugh, awful. Okay, so that one didn't work out as planned. I probably should have stopped while I was ahead with the last fix when it was a really good fix. I should have just called it quits. Honestly, $108 isn't bad. I just really wished that I liked everything and I was excited. I'm not excited about any of this. So most likely all of this will be going back in some type of envelope. There's no return anywhere. I guess they thought I would just love everything and want to keep it. So I will let you know in the description if I ended up keeping anything, because I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm just going to return it all, and then that $49.50 will roll into the next box, which I will not get until July. I'm on this crazy pattern of really good fix, really bad fix, really good fix, really bad fix. So this one I'm not feeling. But definitely if you want to give Stitch Fix a try for yourself. I mean, it's still fun opening the boxes and like seeing the clothes that they send you, and it gets you to try new brands or new designers or pieces that you wouldn't find anywhere else. So I'll leave the link down below. You click that link, it'll take you over to Stitch Fix. You get money off, I get money off. It's a win-win. It's very exciting. So definitely try it for yourself. And yeah, so definitely look in the description, and I'll let you know what I kept, if anything. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and until the next one.